So guys, this is what we should be expecting on our GBP JPY. So let's start with the trend. Once you can see that our overall trend on GBP JPY is on an uptrend move, we are very much in an uptrend move. This is a very much bullish right. If you take a look at this right here, for quick analysis, market was able to pull back right now. With this pullback, we should expect market to reject and bounce up. So this is one of the reasons why, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and not yet subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. This is our movement on GBPJPY. Movement is an uptrend move. Let's start from here for quick analysis. If we see this to be our high, here can be seen to be the higher low. Now this is also the higher high. Here comes the higher low right here. Market then was able to push up to form a new higher high. This is the higher low right here, which came back to tap our our previous resistance zone. Right, market was ranged within this level, right? The market was able to push up to break above the range, the resistance, and now it has now pulled back to test this resistance level. So we should see this as an injection that will make market to reject and bounce up. So this is to tell you that a bullish move is what we should be expecting on our GBPJPY. We should expect GBPJPY to react from this level and push up. So this is to tell you that a bullish move is what we should be expecting. Now let's go down to forward time frame. This is a multiple rejection zone right here. So we should expect market to reject and push up. So a bullish move for the day is what we should be expecting on GBPJPY. Now the thing is that could there be changes to this prediction? Absolutely yes. We all know that your bias should be very much flexible. If in case there will be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I did the update and let you guys know. And now, so if you did not miss out on the updates, subscribe, like, and share, and also follow the Telegram. You can find the link to the Telegram